Hey guys, I found the perfect product to keep my fitness goals in check. It's the new OnePlus Smart Band. It's the first ever smart band by OnePlus. I'm really excited to use this and wear everywhere I go. Okay, I'm really liking the feel of this against my wrist. It's so smooth and the silicone material makes it comfortable so that I can even wear it while I'm sleeping. The design of this looks so slick and this seems very light even on your wallet. This watch face is really cool, guys. Oh, I can even change the wallpaper on here too. Imagine waking up and checking the time on your band with a backdrop of your favorite travel destination. You already start your day smiling. The AMOLED display makes it brighter than this planet's future. So beware if you're waking up in the middle of the night to check if your crush has replied to your messages or not. She hasn't. The Earth's atmosphere has oxygen levels of 21%, but our bodies need much more. If it goes below 90%, we might be in trouble. So while you are sleeping, the band isn't. It constantly measures the oxygen levels in your body when you're asleep and will notify you if there is an alarming drop in your oxygen levels. When you're awake and are feeling dizzy or uneasy or feel like the Dementors are out to get you, you can, at the click of this button, get your oxygen saturation levels checked. A really important feature. And if the levels go below 90, one can get a second opinion by an expert, that is a doctor. You know, I'm really tired of my mom yelling at me to tell me tu kitna soti hai. And due to the messed up sleep cycle, I can't even get back to her with facts. OnePlus Smart Band has an inbuilt sleep tracker. I can easily measure my sleep and tell my mom कि देखो optimum level ही सो रही हूँ मैं. और इसके deep sleep और light sleep analysis से आपको ये भी पता चल जाएगा कि आपकी sleep quality क्या है. And you can even check your sleep score to fix your sleep cycle. Something that you promised yourself to do since forever. Did you know this band can even measure heart rate? So next time you are on a date, you can actually check if they make your heart skip a beat. But jokes apart, a healthy heart rate is the key to a healthy life, and a system that tracks it is your best friend. You can set it up for when you are idle, all the time, or when you are working out, which I aspire to be doing all the time. Figure out the ideal heart rate for you. Moreover, you can set the band to notify you when your heart rate goes above the necessary rate, so you can take necessary action. While working out, it would be really helpful as it will notify you if you are overexerting yourself. And you can set all these various exercise modes to suit your workout routine. I love doing intensive burnout workouts, and this will help me optimize my workouts even more. I really like the outdoors, and the band being waterproof and dustproof will let me move around stress-free. It has depth resistance up to 50 meters in water. I think there's a printing mistake. हो ही नहीं सकता. 14 days. रोज वर्कआउट कर करके आपकी बैटरी लो हो जाएगी, पर इसकी नहीं. So whenever you're driving or working out, you can control your music as well. I wish मैं दूसरों का म्यूज़िक कंट्रोल कर पाती, क्योंकि कुछ लोगों का म्यूज़िक टेस्ट सुनकर मुझे रोना आ जाता है. I think they call it a smart band, because जैसे ही आप ये यूज़ करना शुरू करो, आप धीरे धीरे खुद भी स्मार्ट होना शुरू कर दोगे. तो आज से मेरी जर्नी तो शुरू. What about you?